People, let me show you this today for cameras great kit. So you get first this for dust, and then you get this nice package. So you have cleaning liquid here. You have this pen. From one side is for fingerprint. From another side you get the brush to clean this. So you have also here one brush. Then let's just open it. You have here lens tissue, you have full of them, then you use it. This here is microfiber cleaning cloth. So let's open this one also. Oh, nice, great cloth you get there. So you have here's these sticks, and this is for frame, for sensor frame. For example here, so you can clean with this the sensor and everything. You have 5 of these, and you get these brushes also. So really nice kit for cameras, for lenses, for everything. See you in another.